Okay, here we go. This is a live stream. Okay, we're live. So severe weather, North Texas. Arlington, you're getting pounded. I feel bad for you. Louisville, you look like you're having some fun over there. And McKinney, Dallas has a little rain sprout, it looks like, and Mesquite's doing just fine. Let me switch over to my other radar now. This is pretty much the same one, just this one is more on North Texas. East is a big storm line, and it looks like we're doing okay here. Bonham, you're right on the line. Play this one too. Looks like rain throughout most of North Texas will stop at around 8 p.m. except for a small sprout in Paris and a big cell in Shreveport. Alright, so let me switch over to my other radar app. I like monitoring these storms, especially when I'm in the middle of them. I'm not going to say where I am. Okay, so let's get out with some of these warnings. Van Alstyne area to Whitewright, it looks like, to Boyd to Bonham. You are all under a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast Denton County and north central Texas, northwestern Collin County and north central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north central Texas, that's the same thing, southern Grayson County, West Fannin. Until 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dorchester, or 8 miles southwest of Sherman, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball-sized hail, and 60 mile per hour wind gust. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail, damage to roofs, sidings, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Sherman, Bonham, Prosper, Anna, Salina, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Howe, Aubrey, Krugerville, Whitewright, Gunther, Bells, Tom, Bean, Savor, Ector, Dode City, Ravenna, and Dorchester. A tornado watch remains in effect till 10 p.m. for north central Texas. Hail is about 1.75 inches. I haven't gotten any of that here. And wind at around 60 miles per hour with a temperature of 81 in Bonham, Texas, which is not where I am located. Looks like most storms are heading north at 50 miles per hour. Let me check my chat. One person watching, that's good. And now let's move out of South Texas and let's move into Oklahoma. Let me go into zoom out to states. There's Oklahoma. Oh, I know. Ooh, you got some thunder. Oklahoma, you look pretty much okay. Zoom out to region. We're gonna go into Arkansas. Let's go into Arkansas. Alright, so Arkansas, you're in let's go to Little Rock. That's okay, here we go. Find Little Rock on this radar. It's a pretty big town. Let's say, there you are, Little Rock. Alright, we actually got a storm chaser live in Little Rock. Chris Conley. If you want to watch this stream he's doing, his name is Chris Conley. He's driving through Little Rock. Jesus, raining hard here. $28 million are at risk for severe weather on Friday. That's a lot of people. Alright, so let me get at Chris Conley. So you guys are under moderate risk. This means that you have a massive risk. Since here in Texas, I think we are only under a slight risk situation, but I don't know what this moderate risk is for. But Little Rock, you look okay. Most of the weather near you has passed. Now. Okay, severe thunderstorm warning at my last location expires in 15 minutes. This means that this storm is rapidly dissipating. Here's another look at North Texas. Sherman looks okay. Except not anymore, since that looks like that's in the past right there. That's in the past. We're getting a little hail here. Let me report on that. This hail appears to be about, I would say, about the size of a diamond. I'll be right back. Oh, sorry. We are seeing, pea-sized hail, I would say, and, like a flood out there. Like, it's raining really hard here. I would say we're currently in the heart of the storm. Green tint outside. I repeat, green tint outside. Let me check my radar and see what's going on right now. Since I don't like where this is going, not at all. United States. I can literally hear the hail hitting the metal. Zoom out to region. Oh, it put down a marker for me. That's spooky. I don't like it knowing where I am. Jeez. This means that this storm is not getting much better. Alright, so 5:40, that's about now. It looks like this right here is what I'm currently going through. That to that. It's all me. Because it is pouring here. Pouring with hail, looking like it's getting a little bit bigger at around, dime-sized hail, and it is pouring. There's a lot of hail, lightning striking directly above my house, and there's a lot of rain. So, if you are in the North Texas region and you are outside, get inside, because it's not looking good over here, not one bit. Hope you guys can hear me all right. Just realized I'm not standing with my mic. Well, one of those just hit my window. So, we are looking at a thunderstorm, which is either getting stronger or weaker. Doppler says it's getting stronger. I'd say this hail's getting a little bit bigger. So, earlier it said that it was not going to hit my location, but now it is hitting my location, and it is hailing a lot. If you are driving and you happen to be one person watching this, I would advise getting under an underpass, as this is not a tornadic situation. Yes, I know. This is not a tornadic situation. This is more of a thunderstorm thing. In the Sherman region, which I'm sure that's what I just got hit by. Let's go into the future. It does not say what time this is. Tornado watch continues as we move on. We are currently tracking a storm. Let me view this this thunderstorm warning they just sent out to me. Yeah, I'm just now getting into it. Hail looks like it's almost done. Tornado watch will continue into the night. I'll stay with you guys as this thunderstorm passes, which it is traveling. I can't see how fast that's traveling at, but it's traveling at around north by 24 miles per hour, so they're saying that this storm should be done by 6, which I do not believe. This is the spike up, and now storm radar by the Weather Channel is saying that now at 5:51 we are in the middle of this storm. Weston is almost out of it. Prosper is out of it. Gunther is out of it. Dunchester is out of it. Howe is almost out of it. Tom Bean is almost out of it. Trenton is almost out of it. Anna is almost out of it. Well, they're kind of in the middle of it. Bells is in it. Ravenna's still in it. This storm is really far north. It goes about from the Colony to about Quinton. I don't know where that is. But this is a very tall storm. Now let's talk about McKinney. McKinney is a very, very populated town near me. Tornado watch continues to be in effect in McKinney's Texas. Thunderstorms in McKinney are to be over at 7:15, and wind there is only 26 miles per hour. Hail has picked up again. Now, Anna has a estimated amount to be at 7. It's supposed to end at 7. Now, Weston. Thunderstorms will end at 7 as well. Salina, Texas. Prosper. Just a second. Thunderstorms will end at approximately 7, so only an hour to come. Let me check comments again. Yeah, I would think. Jeez, that was a big one. Hail continues to be at around, I'd say 1.5 inches at this point. Now, let's move down to Frisco, another heavily populated town here in North Texas. Light rain with thunder is Frisco's report with with thunderstorms ending at 7 p.m. once again. So McKinney is the only one that I've seen so far which is going to be passed. Now, anyone have any requests? I'll be checking those now for when and where your thunderstorms are going to end. I'll go ahead and check Plano too. Plano, which is really far south from here, storms will end at 7:15. Alright, so let me check chat. Let me check Arkansas, which is where a tornado was spotted on the ground near Fort Smith. That was a big hail. I think that tornado went back up and oh, check Mesquite. Alright, let me go to Mesquite. That's south of Dallas, correct? Alright, I found it. It's thunderstorms ending Friday at 9:45. Tornado watch in effect. Expires at 10 a.m. just like most of Collin, Dallas, and Denton County. The cities of Allen, Arlington, Athens, Bonham, Bowie, Brea, Bridgeport, Brulson, Canton, Carlton, Claiborne, Kifton, Commerce, Cooper, Corsicana, Dallas, Decatur, Denison, Denton, East Tanawaki, Edgewood, Immortality, Ennis, Fairview, Flower Mound, Forney, Fort Worth, Frisco, Gainesville, Glen Rose, Granbury, Grand Saline, Greensville, Groesbeck, Gun Barrel City, Heath, Hillsborough, Kaufman, Louisville, McKinney, Meridian, Mexina, Middlesbrough, Nakona, Oak Trail Shores, Paleston, Paris, Plano, Point, Rockwall, Sherman, Sulphur Springs, Teague, Terrell, Valley Mill, Van, Waco, Waxahachie, Weatherford, Wills Point, and Waltham are all under a tornado watch. Yes, we do have a tornado watch. That was just another massive hailstone which hit my wall. Hail appears to be slowing down here where I'm at. Pretty much anything in North Texas is under a tornado watch. I'm going to check Keller too, since there's a lot of people who live there. 7. They are actually under 3 tornado watches. Now let me check here. Heavy thunderstorm with 4 tornado watches. Which means that there's 4 cells which are potentially going to cause a tornado. Potentially. Chances of this actually happening are low. Let me switch back to this radar. Severe thunderstorm warning in Plano, Garland, and Dallas, Duncanville, Hutchins, Lancaster, Middlehoomian, Red Oak, Waxahachie, Palmer, Ferris, Combine, Secoho, Hutchins, Balch, Farney, Mesquite, Terrell, Arlington, Fort Worth has expired. University Parks has also expired. Tornado watch with 4 hours remaining, which I will not sit through all that. I'm only gonna sit through until storm here ends. Storm chaser Chad Vedenier is in Bonham right now, Bonham, Texas, and is live streaming. And then Doug Drace is in Denison. So if you want to tune into either of their live streams, they are streaming and they are in the storm. Now, I do not believe any other tornado warnings have been issued, but I'm going to check that. Tornado warning. Tornado warning for Taney County in southwestern Missouri. If you live in southwestern Missouri, you have a big storm coming up, which you may want to take shelter, as this tornado was seen going it doesn't say, but tornado and golf-sized hail. And now here's possible damage in southwestern Missouri. Mobile homes will be destroyed, damaged. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Bull Shoals Lake, Lake Tamacomo, Ridgedale, and then hail of golf ball size. That's in southwestern Missouri. Tornado warning for Franklin County and west central Arkansas. Tornado and quarter-sized hail is being reported in Franklin County and west Arkansas. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to windows, vehicles, and roofs will occur, and tree damage is likely. Locations in or near path: Ozark, Charleston, Lavaca, Mulberry, Altus, Branch, Windeaker Village, Cass, Bloomer, Jetto, Barnes, Redding, Watalua, Meg, Tony, Peter Pender, Turnspin, Vesta, Sealy. This includes Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 25 and 42. Hail of 1 inch. That is in west central Arkansas. And now we checking for another warning. Let me check for warnings in Texas. A bunch of tornado watches. A bunch of them. Like, my whole radar is pink right now because of the amount of tornado watches that have been put on. This tornado watch has been on since 1:15 and will expire in about an hour or so. Hail is here too. I'm reporting hail. Have we already covered this one? Yeah, that's Franklin County. Oh, we got another one. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for west central Little River County and southwestern Arkansas, southeastern McCurran County and southeastern Oklahoma, western Bowie County in northeastern Texas, and until 6:30 CDT, which is Central Time, I believe. Hazard: tornado and quarter-sized hail again. Flying debris will be dangerous if caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Foreman and Arkinda around 6:25. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Wallace, Tom, and Almont. Tornado radar indicated in hail 1 inches. That is actually in Texas, but that's in the bad zone of Texas where you don't want to be right now. And this tornadic thunderstorm is moving north. And it's windy out there. I don't think any other tornadoes have been reported anywhere else. Checking that now. It looks like we have a bunch of potentially tornadic thunderstorms heading north, which will then be shut down by the enormous amount of cold winds in the north. This storm was caused by cold air coming from Canada and warm air coming from the Gulf, which fed this storm. We're still getting hail over here. And now I'm gonna do some more populated areas of Texas. I see Gun Barrel City, but it's not. Okay, Nacogdoches. Lost it. Where did it go? Let me go ahead and do Waco since I have that right there. Nothing. No thunderstorms. You're just gonna have a lot of cold weather. Let me check Houston now. Thunderstorms beginning Friday at 6:15. So in about 7 minutes, Houston will be in a thunderstorm. Which, depending on how long the storms lasts, we'll track that one. Which will be heading north, most likely. Liberty City, which is really close to Houston, is having thunderstorms at 7:30. Let's check Denton. Thunderstorms will be ending at 7, which I'm pretty sure their thunderstorms are already over. So there's not a single thing on the map for them. Let me check Bowie, which is on the map. Nothing, just 3 tornado watches. Sherman, which is like right on the border. Thunderstorms ending at 7. 7 is pretty much the clear time, where everything gets cleared up. It doesn't look like we have any other warnings and watches on that one. Now let me go to a non-radar. Wait, this is radar. It has radar. Okay. Ooh, warning. Tornado warning. I believe this right here. Franklin County, we've already been over that one. Oh, new one. This is No, this isn't a new one. That hail's picking back up. Is that a tornado warning? Mesocyclone. Mesocyclone in North Texas. A mesocyclone is a rotation, a big rotation. It seems like it will be heading into into Oklahoma at 6:55. This is a mesocyclone, otherwise known as a wall cloud, I think. I'm not sure though. Tornado watch continues. Another mesocyclone heading towards Mina. Another mesocyclone and a tornado. This could produce sister tornadoes, which are extremely rare though, which is heading towards St. Paul, Ozark, Pettigrew, Ozone, and Wetter. Another mesocyclone, which is going to be heading towards Akko, Timbo, Boswell, and Calico Rock. More hail is being reported here. Those are big. Another mesocyclone, which is heading towards Goodson, New Berna, Hermitage, Max Creek, and Edwards. Flash flood watches are now present in almost every county. Hail in Indianola, Sunflower, Louisville, Drew, and Parchman, which we're having hail here. Okay, so severe hail. Severe hail is heading towards Melissa, Westminster, Blue Ridge, and Merritt. Where it is currently at is Frisco-ish. Frisco and McKinney. And more hail is continuing to come up from severe hail, which is going towards Lomita, the Star, mesocyclone heading towards Jonesboro and Cathills Gap, severe hail, oh, we've already been over that one. An extremely strong thunderstorm is heading towards Dallas. Severe hail is heading towards Hugo, Chicota, Arthur City, Fort Towson, and Pounderie. And now it appears to be more mesocyclones heading north. This storm is progressively weakening, but I see 1, 2, 3, 4 tornado warnings. Not in Texas. One of them is in Texas, but just barely. 2 of which are in Oklahoma. 1 appears to be in southwest Missouri, and 1 in Arkansas. And the sun is now shining here while it continues to rain. This is a rare occurrence. Severe hail is being reported as far as Illinois. Did I just say Illinois? Illinois. And then just normal hail is almost everywhere. Severe hail is actually as far up as Minnesota, and there's some being reported in South Dakota. It's still hailing here, and the sun's out. It's weird. Now let's go to Louisiana. Louisiana has a strong thunderstorm. Looks like that tornado warning, which was once in effect, is now gone. and lots of hail being reported in Louisiana. This is a very hailstorm, it seems like. More of a hailstorm than tornadoes. Tornado warning. Most tornado warnings appear to be expiring at 6:30, and storms for almost everywhere are expiring at 7. Let me get an eyewitness. Ooh, that hit my window. Oh. Let me look outside and I'll tell you eyewitness weather from here. There is a rainbow where I'm at. I repeat, there is a rainbow where I am at. I will go take a picture of that, and I will be right back. I have taken a picture of that rainbow, which is being reported near Melissa, which is not where I'm at. That's just a rough location of where I'm at. Now let me go back onto my radar and give final predictions before I sign off, as the storm here is pretty much over, which is when I said I was going to sign off. Tornado warnings. A new one just popped up where that mesocyclone was reported in Oklahoma, it looks like. So, tornado warning is in effect in Oklahoma now. This storm will continue to move north throughout the night. And this is me, and I'm signing off. Let me find my software, and bye. And stay safe. If you're under one of those tornado warnings, get into cover, since if you don't, you're stupid. But yeah. Bye.